Just when you think you've seen it all in Russia, something tells you the bottom hasn't been reached yet. Russian scientists must develop a biological weapon that would only work on Anglo-Saxons, says Lieutenant General Andrei Gurulev, member of Defense Committee in Russian Parliament. Since such a situation has developed, we ourselves need to sit down, our scientists, and develop the same weapon against the Anglo-Saxons. They specifically study the gene pool of each people and try to make the weapon that will destroy their gene pool. We need to deal with the Anglo-Saxons. This is the main enemy, and they should know about it. That, guys, God forbid, you will get no less in return, Gurulev said. We don't know, have Gurulev watched the James Bond movie No Time to Die with the biological weapon that spread until they reached their target, having been programmed to the DNA of a specific person or persons. Anyway, we have a strong candidate for the Idiot of the Year. I had 3 mothers-in-law, I'm not afraid. The Ukrainian military has nothing to fear anymore. They are not losing their sense of humor, that's for sure.
Що таке? Я нахуй вертел, блядь. У мене було 3 тещі, мені все по.
Russian be like, respect your commander and give him a toilet bowl, stolen from a Ukrainian private house. At least is not another washing machine. War criminal Putin threatens to hit buildings in the center of Kiev, then takes a long pause, then promises to tell the reasons why Russia doesn't do it later, not publicly. Imagine his future speeches in The Hague.
Это все попытка спровоцировать нас на ответные действия. Ну, послушайте, вот если мы под Киевом уничтожили 5 комплексов «Патриот», то что нам стоит уничтожить любое здание и сооружение в центре Киева? Нет таких ограничений. Мы не делаем это по ряду соображений. И их много. Я потом вам скажу об этих соображениях. Да, вам скажу пока. Не публично. Вот. Но такая возможность есть. Все это понимают. Все просто ждут, что мы начнем кнопки нажимать. Нет такой необходимости. Вот это первое соображение. Такой необходимости нет. Потому что противник на линии фронта успеха не имеет. В этом все дело.
The mine-detecting ships Chernihiv and Cherkasy are on their way from Scotland to Ukraine. The UK gifted the shops to the Ukrainian Navy. They were previously called HMS Grimsby and HMS Shoreham. Captured Russian BMP-2 during Ukrainian offensive in village Neskuchna in Donetsk region. It's excellent. The engine is golden. The transmission is new too. Beautiful.
Ой, сколько ж я на тебя уже напрыгался. Опа.
Ань, ты включился?
Все, выключайте.
І що, як?
Ну, отлично.
Двигатель золотой. Да, это... 26 моточасов. Двигатель новый стоит и коробка новая. Что такое? Красиво. Отжали и хоть что-то. Ладно, ну что?
Пробуем.
Давай, давай.
У вас же нема власної машини зараз.
Перед вами БМП-2, захоплена на позиціях противника в районі Времівського виступу. Звільняємо нашу територію. Це результат злагодженої роботи всіх служб, всіх підрозділів нашого батальйону.
And for the end, not from Ukraine, but awesome video. Ecuadorian pilot Ariel Valiente kept his cool after a giant bird smashed into his cockpit mid-flight, and he still managed to safely land the plane. Poland has completed the construction of an electronic barrier on the border with Belarus. About 3,000 cameras, including thermal imaging cameras, 400 kilometers of detection cables, and 11 teletechnical containers along the entire length of the border, namely 206 kilometers. There is also a physical barrier on the Polish-Belarusian border, a 5.5-meter fence made of steel spans equipped with barbed wire.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.